हिमकुंद मृणालभम दैत्यानं परम गुरुं सर्वशास्त्र प्रभत्कारं भार्गवं प्रणमाम्यहम्. Namaskar. In continuation of the discussion about Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar's Navagraha Kriti and medical astrology, today I will be discussing about Shukra Graha, that is Venus, which is part 7 of the discussion episodes. Shukra, Venus, Bhargavam, also known as Asura Guru. Jupiter is the Deva Guru. Even though Shukra is the Asura Guru, it is considered to be a Shubha, that is beneficial Graha. Shukra rules Rishabha Rashi, that is Taurus, and Tula Rashi, that is Libra. Shukra's exalt position is in Meena Rasi, that is species, and deblessed position is in Kanya, that is Virgo. Shukra is Vata and Kapha by nature. Normally, Shukra takes about 30 days to pass through a Rashi. When it goes through retro, that is Vakra, sometimes the duration varies, differs. Shukra is an artist favorable Graha. All fine arts, beauty, love, garments, ornaments, vehicles, luxurious, comfortable life, good income, happy family life, good relationship with partners, whether life partner or working partner, depends upon the position of the Venus. Shukravaram, that is Friday, diamond and platinum gems, and white color, and sour taste, that is pulipu, khatta, that is also connected with Venus. All beneficial or non-beneficial factors depends upon the position of Venus in the birth chart. This graha is also known as Kalatra Karaka, that is responsible for marriage. Shukra is very close to Surya. Shukra, that is Venus, cannot be more than 40 degrees away from Surya. Shukra is a beneficial graha for persons born in Makara and Kumbha Rashi. Shukra is also connected to Kamadevata and Yajurvedam. Nakshatras Bharani, Purva Falguni, which is also known as Puram, Purvashada, that is Puradam, come under Shukra's lordship. Now, let me discuss little bit about Rashis. We all know about 4 tattvas, that is elements. Rashi too are connected to these elements. Mesha Rasi and Simha Rasi and Dhanur Rashi. They are connected with Agni Tattvam. Rishabha Rashi, Kanya Rashi and Makara Rashi, they are connected with Bhutattvam, that is earth element. Mithuna Rashi, Tula Rashi and Kumbha Rashi, they are connected with Vayutattvam, that is with air element. Karkataka Rashi, Vrichchiga Rashi and Meena Rashi, they are connected with Jalatattvam, that is water element. The persons born in Agni Tattvam, that is the fire element Rashi, normally are more prone to stomach related diseases. Normally they are short tempered and very strong minded people. People born with Bhutattvam, that is earth element, very grounded, stable and determined and down to earth minded people. People born with Vayutattvam, that is air element, jovial, lively, but suddenly become depressed. Lot of mood swings. People born with Jaratattvam, that is water element, adjustable, secretive, creative, and often prone to cold related health problems. Now coming to the body parts. Body parts connected to Shukra, Venus, are face, eyes, chin, semen, urinary organs including urinary bladder, ovary, intestine, endocrine secretions, and luster of the body, water and fluid part of human body, and lymph glands. All glands activities also come under Shukra. Diseases caused by Shukra, anemia. Eye diseases, mainly the tear glands. Diseases of face, diseases connected to urinary bladder, urinary tract infection, prostate gland enlargement, diabetes, low sperm count, asthma, problem in respiratory organs, and also tuberculosis, sexual disabilities and venereal diseases, hormonal disorder, diminution of the luster of the body, problems with thyroid glands. When in transition, Shukra Graha is in Rogasthana, that is in the sixth place, can cause typhoid. Sri Muthuswami Dikshitar composed Sri Shukra Bhagavantam in Ragam Faraj. Ragam first is Janyam of 15th Melakarta Ragam Maya Malava Gauda. This Ragam is Shadava Sampurna Janya Ragam. Rishabhaswaram is Varjam in Arohana order. Gamaka Pradhana Ragam, which gives rise to Shringara Bhakti Rasa Ragam. Very ancient Ragam, Hindustani music system, they use even Prati Madhyamam. The Gandhara Swaram lifted from Shadjam with Gamaka works very well with the lower part of the body, mainly body parts below Nabhi. The oscillation, the Gamaka, activates the portion between Mooladhara and the Manipura, where organs related to reproduction, digestion, and excretory system lies. As the positive resonance lifts up and touches Anagatam, where the organs related to respiratory system lies, strengthens the lungs, bronchial and other related organs, and also thyroid glands. The special prayoga of this ragam, Dani Mada, without touching Panchamam, works with activating and strengthening the upper portion of the neck. The master glands, that is pituitary and pineal glands, are connected to Venus Graha, that is Shukra Graha. So the other glands, which gets orders from the master glands to receive positive energy coming through the resonance of swaras of Farasragam. The Anahata Chakra, which has 12 petals, as mentioned by Sri Sarangadeva in Sangeeta Ratnakara, one of them is curiosity, which leads to thinking and then to passion. Most of the special children lack these qualities. The Madhyama arising from strong Antara Gandharam, which is the Shuddha Gandharam in Hindustani music, from Manipura helps activating these qualities. On the whole, this ragam helps in becoming more active, alert, and improves stamina and energy levels. The singing and listening this ragam helps in strengthening the relationship with partners, improving the health, gives glow to the face and skin, which makes the individual to lead a very happy life. We thank Dr. Meenakshi Ravi for giving us the opportunity to be part of the Nada Arogya.
सकलतत्त्वयम् श्री शुक्र भगवन्तं चिन्तयामि सन्ततं सकलतत्त्वयम् हे शुक्र भगवन् मां हे शुक्र भगवन् मां आशु पालय वृषतुलाधीश दैत्य हितोपदेश हे शुक्र भगवन् मां आशु पालय वृषतुलाधीश दैत्य हितोपदेश केशवकटाक्षैकनेत्रं किरीटधरं धवळगात्रं केशवकटाक्षैकनेत्रं किरीटधरं धवळगात्रं श्री शुक्र भगवन्तं चिन्तयामि सन्ततं विंशति वत्सरोडु दश विभागम् अष्टवर्गम् विंशति वत्सरोडु दश विभागम् अष्टवर्गम् कविं कळत्र कारकं रविर्जर गुरुवैरिणं रविर्जर गुरुवैरिणं नवांश होरद्रे काणादि वर्गोत्तम अवसर समये नवांश होरद्रे केन्द्र मूलत्रिकोणे त्रिंशांश षट्यंशैरावतांश पारिजातांश गोपुरांश राजयोगकारकं राज्यप्रदं गुरुगुहमुदं त्रिंशांश षट्यांशैरावतांश पारिजातांश गोपुरांश राजयोगकारकं राज्यप्रदं गुरुगुहमुदं श्री शुक्रभगवन्तं चिन्तयामि सन्ततं सकलतत्त्वज्ञानं